Here are some fun exercises using a ball to help build upper body strength. No worries if you don't have a ball. Just simulate and pretend like you do until you can get to the store and buy one of these for yourself. Sit forward, front third of your chair, lift tall through the crown of your head, engage your core, and let's start with some chest work. So just placing your hands directly on either side of the ball, nice neutral wrist, squeeze and release. Now you can perform these exercises about 5 to 10 times per exercise, and then as you get stronger, you may want to add additional sets. Let's do 2 more. Beautiful. Next exercise is wrist work. So just hold the ball in the palm of your right hand and start to open a jar. Now, close the jar. Good, you're still sitting up nice and tall. Now switch the ball to the opposite hand. Open the jar first. We want to make sure we're nice and balanced. Now close the jar. You can always go faster or slower if that feels better. Next exercise is for finger strength. So just press the ball with your fingers all the way tight against the ball and then open wide. So just press and open. Try it. Just squeeze and open. Squeeze and open. Nice. Let's do 2 more. Beautiful. Next exercise is for bicep strength. So we're going to take the ball and just place it in the fold of your arm, and you can always hold on with your opposite hand and squeeze and release. Now make sure you're exhaling on the work. Press, squeeze, nice bulging biceps. Let's do 2 more. Beautiful. Switch to the opposite side. So we're going to go into our left arm now and just squeeze and release. Now maintain nice posture, and if you can always let go. Try it. Nice. We'll do 2 more of these. Last one, and then you can slide the ball to the side, left side of your body. Tuck your elbow in, and we're going to come into internal oblique work. So as you press and release, think about dropping your shoulder down towards your hip and lifting your hip up towards your shoulder as you press against the ball. Beautiful. 2 more. And then now hold steady and just draw the ball towards the back of your body. So elbow draws back and release, working into our posterior deltoids. I'll turn sideways so you can see what I'm doing. Just pull back and release. Exhale. Press. We'll do 2 more of these. And then you can always change up the pace if you'd like to. Switch to the right side, tuck your elbow in. Whoops, I'm dropping the ball. Tuck your elbow in and just press and release. Remember, no ball, no worries. You can continue to do this exercise with us. You can find these at your grocery store, maybe a local just dollar store. Last one. Now draw your elbow straight back and release. 6 to 9 inches is about the recommended ball diameter. Nice. 2 more. Last one, and then hold. Remember, these exercises will help keep you strong, and they are so easy to do.